new chapter. The name of this chapter is Number Work. We are going to study this chapter in 4 parts. So today we will study the part 1, that is digit. So let us start. Digit. Children, what is digit? Digit means a single numeral or a single number. It can be any number from 0 to 9. In this chapter, we are going to study up till 5-digit numbers. A single number is called as single digit number or 1-digit number. For example, 4. 4 is a single digit number, or we can say 1-digit number. When two numbers are written together, it is called as 2-digit number. For example, 3, 8. Children, the number 3 and number 8 are written together. So it is called as 2-digit number. When 3 numbers are written together, it is called as 3-digit number. For example, 5, 6, 2. Children, the number 5, 6 and 2 are written together. So it is called as 3-digit number. When 4 numbers are written together, it is called as 4-digit number. For example, 4, 5, 6, 3. Children, here the number 4, 5, 6 and 3 are written together, so it is called as 4-digit number. When 5 numbers are written together, it is called as 5-digit number. For example, 3, 0, 5, 6, 1. Children, here the number 3, 0, 5, 6 and 1 are written together, so it is called as 5-digit number. Now let us move ahead. The numbers are positioned in following manner. U for unit. Children, unit means one single number or 1-digit number. For example, 7. T for tens. Children, tens is 10 times greater than unit, so it has 1 0. For example, when 7 is 10 times greater, it becomes 70. For tens, 1 0 gets added with the number which is there on the tens place. H for 100. Children, 100 is 10 times greater than tens, so it has 2 zeros. For example, when 7 is 100 times greater, it becomes 700. For 100, 2 zeros get added with the number which is there on the hundreds place. TH is for 1000. Children, 1000 is 10 times greater than 100, so it has 3 zeros. For example, when 7 is 1000 times greater, it becomes 7000. Children, for 1000, 3 zeros get added with the number which is there on the thousands place. TTH is for 10,000. Children, 10,000 is 10 times greater than 1000. 10,000 times greater, it becomes 70,000. Children, for 10,000, 4 zeros gets added with the number which is there on the 10,000's place. Children, here the numbers are positioned according to their place. Let us start with number 4. Children, 4 is at the position of 10,000, which means there are 4 10,000s, which makes 40,000. Next, 3. Children, 3 is at the position of 1,000, which means there are 3 thousands, which makes 3,000. Next, 2. Children, 2 is at the position of 100, which means there are 200, which makes 200. Next, 5. Children, 5 is at the position of tens, which means there are 5 tens, which makes 50. Next, 8. Children, 8 is at the position of unit, which means there is only 8. Children, now let's do some exercise. Write in words. Children, we have to write this number in words. So first we will write the positions of the given number. So we will start giving position to numbers from right side. From the right side, 8 is the first number. Children, 8 is at which position? Yes, 8 is at unit position. Next, 7. Children, 7 is at which position? Yes, 7 is at tens position. Next, 6. Children, 6 is at which position? Yes, 6 is at hundreds position. Next, 5. Children, 5 is at which position? Yes, 5 is at thousand position. Children, now let us try to write the numbers in words according to their position. We will start to write the numbers in words from left hand side. So, 5 is on the thousand position. So, we will write it as 5,000. 6 is on the hundreds position. So, we will write it as 600. 7 is on the tens position. So, we will write it as 70. And 8 is on units position. So, we will write it as 8. Now, let us read it. 5,678. Children, always remember the last two numbers are always read together. So, it will become 5,678. Children, we have to write this number in words. So first we will write the positions of the given numbers. So we will start giving position to numbers from right hand side. From the right hand side, 5 is the first number. Children, 5 is at which position? Yes, unit. 6 is at which position? Yes, tens. 2 is at which position? Yes, 100. 4 is at which position? Yes, 1,000. 3 is at which position? Yes, 10,000. Children, now let us try to write the numbers in words according to their position. We will start to write the numbers in words from left hand side. Here 3 is on the 10,000 position. So we will write it as 3 10,000. 4 is at the 1,000 position. So we will write it as 4,000. 2 is at hundreds position. So we will write it as 200. Children, do you remember the last two numbers we read together? So it will become 65. Children, when we are talking about 10,000 and 1,000, so here also we will read two numbers together, that is 30,000 and 4,000. It will become 34,000. Now let us read it one more time. 34,265. Write in figures. 6,545. Children, we have to write this number in figures. So, we will use a table with position to write the numbers in figures. Let us start. 6,000. Children, 6,000 means we will write 6 in the column of 1,000. Next, 500. Children, 500 means we will write 5 in the column of 100. And 45. Children, do you remember the last two numbers should be read together? So, 40 we will write in the column of tens and 5 we will write in the column of unit. So this way we can write words in figures. Children, we have to write this number in figures. So, we will use a table with position to write the number in figures. Let us start. 2,000. Children, 2,000 means we will write 2 in the column of 1,000. And 78. Children, do you remember the last two numbers should be read together? So, we will write 70 in the column of tens and 8 in the column of units. Children, can you see an empty place in the column of 100? But nothing is mentioned about 100, so we will write 0 in the column of 100. 2,078. 39,100. Children, we have to write this number in figures. So, we will use a table with position to write the number in figures. Let us start. 39,000. Children, 39,000 means we will write 3 in the column of 10,000 and 9 in the column of 1,000, which makes 39,000. And 100. Children, 100 means we will write 1 in the column of 100. Can you see an empty place in the column of tens and units? But nothing is mentioned about tens and units, so we will write 0 in the column of tens and in the column of unit. So this way we can write words in figures.